Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the audio board ZIF connector and disconnect the audio board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the audio board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the audio board bracket to the audio board. Lift the audio board bracket off of the alignment pin on the display enclosure and remove. Lift the audio board off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the audio board onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Place the audio board bracket onto the alignment pin on the display enclosure. Replace the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the audio board to the display enclosure. Insert the audio board ribbon cable into the audio board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Apply pressure to the length of the audio board ribbon cable to adhere it to the display enclosure.